Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by enabling the simplest, most reliable options. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Developer options. This lets you toggle Stay Awake while charging. Once done, increase the screen timeout to a long duration like 30 minutes so short an activity won't dim the display. Make sure to confirm under Battery or Power settings that adaptive timeout features are disabled because they can override manual choices. You're now prepared to apply app-specific or system-level overrides next. Next, you give specific apps the right to prevent sleep. Grant Keep Screen on permissions inside app settings or use a utility app that requests a persistent wake lock. This ensures content or navigation apps stay active. If you prefer automation, create a rule that sets screen timeout when certain apps run. Also disable battery optimizations for those apps so the system won't kill their wake requests. Make sure to test by opening the target app and watching the screen through a normal session to confirm behavior. Finally, solidify your changes and troubleshoot if needed. Restart the device to ensure all new settings and permissions take effect. If the screen still turns off, check for system updates or vendor-specific power management that may block persistent wake locks. You can boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing sleep. If behavior stops in safe mode, uninstall recent apps until resolved. One quick tip: re-enable battery optimizations last, because they're commonly the culprit when screens won't stay on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.